Hello, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's trading recap, where I'm going to be going over all the trades that I took today, the winners, the losers, and share with you guys what I learned, some key lessons I pulled from the day, why I entered each trade, why I exited each trade, and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive right into this, and it should be fun. So first trade I took on the day, believe it or not, was on Tesla. I know I trade this stock a ton. It's my favorite stock to trade. I talk all the time about learning the personalities of stocks, and I definitely know the personality of Tesla and how it trades, so I trade it very well. Looking here at the daily on Tesla, this thing has been extremely strong. Overall, it's been just holding up really nicely. It tends to have these massive breakouts. Now. Yesterday was red, and then today we were watching a few key levels. We are waiting for that 800 break, which should be huge on Tesla, but we wanted to set up some levels to trade before then. So the main level we were watching today was this pre-market high of 786.30. We were watching that. So first trade off the open. Our first trade that I took of the day was at 8:35, and I sold at 8:37, and this was actually a red trade. So I wanted to trade the high of day on this. So overall, where's 8:35? So this is the candle that I entered on. I had this level set here for the high of day break, and I wanted to trade it above that level. And it was pushing up, and then on this candle it really pushed up nice. So I entered there, and then it flushed down, and I stayed in. It pushed back up here, flushed down again, and that's when I decided to cut my loss and took a $100 loss on that. So nothing crazy, but did start the day off red here. And then the second trade I took on Tesla was at 740. And I sold at 742. So I entered right here and I sold right here. And I got out break even on that trade. I wanted to see this thing go quick, but as you can see, it wicked out on the top there. So got out of that trade break even. From there, I switched over actually to UPST. UPST has been extremely strong, as we all know, right? And it was forming like this triangle pattern here, which is one of my favorite patterns, where it squeezes within a range here, and then it breaks out to either direction. In this case, I was only looking at it to the upside just because this thing is so strong. So I entered right here on the break, and we had a nice push up, and this was a great trade, made $127 on this trade. So at this point, made back my losses on that Tesla and some back in the green, which is awesome. From there, I switched back over to Tesla for the rest of the day. Didn't trade any other stocks. And let's see what I made happen here. So on Tesla, I traded it 1, 2, 3, 4 more times throughout the rest of the day. So I traded it right here. I got in, we had this big green candle, broke out. I got in on this candle, and the next candle just launched. Sold half my position here, and then sold the rest on this break. And then, I actually traded it more. Okay, so that was the first trade I took on Tesla. It was right there. And then I sold on this candle right here. And then the next trade I took was for this break. So I traded right here, caught this move up, because we're in this consolidation zone here. Tesla was strong, and we got a nice push up there. And then it flagged right here. This is a flag pattern. And I traded this breakout, sold right up here. And then we had another flag. I traded this breakout as well. And then we started forming another flag. So I got in here for the breakout, and it dumped. So at this point, after this trade, I was up just over $300 on the day, which was awesome. It's a great day. And then I went and took this trade and took a loss on this trade because we had this massive red candle, and I cut my losses very quick on that. And ended the overall day up $252 trading Tesla and UPST. yeah, these markets have been crazy. As you can see, there's a lot of chop, not a lot of clear direction. The main thing I'm looking for is this 799 Tesla break. As you can see, that's where it got rejected up here. If Tesla can break 799 this week or early next week, I will look to enter a very good sized position on this. And I'll instantly be looking for that 800 break, and I'll probably add above that 800 break. So yeah, that is the next play I'm looking at on this. But overall, those were the trades I took today. $252 on the day. Very grateful for that opportunity. And yeah, it was a very typical day. Nothing crazy. I did miss a play on Netflix just because I was trading Tesla. The key level we were watching on Netflix was a 600 break. Netflix has also been very strong, and we had that break and follow through all the way up to nearly $610. So awesome play, but I did miss this just because I was trading other things. Another play I missed on the day was Amazon. This was the play I was watching on Amazon. We were squeezing here, and we broke out and instantly gapped up and continued up. Awesome play. We flagged out here and broke out again. But it is all good. You can't catch every single play. Be grateful for the green you were able to have on the day, the profit you were able to pull out of the market. But yeah, you guys, that is all for today's market recap or my trade recap. Hopefully you're able to learn something. Feel free to comment any questions you have below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.